Two.
Hello everyone, welcome to Blocklish. Today in Cooking in English I'm going to show you how to prepare a Vermouth cocktail, or Vermouth preparado as we would say in Spain. We will need Vermouth, obviously, a bit of gin, some Campari, Cointreau, some angostura, which is bitters in English. Obviously it's a very bitter liquid. We'll use just a few drops. And I have already in the cocktail mixer some ice and some ice already in the glasses. I'm gonna do like the professionals do with the rind of orange. I'll put it like that. I'll put it like this one. I'm sharing with Annie today Vermouth. And I'm gonna start putting all the ingredients in the cocktail mixer. 200 milliliters of this. I'm gonna use this fancy cocktail mixer kind of kit, but you can use whatever you want. 10 milliliters of gin, more or less, I'm not very precise. Then 20 milliliters of Campari. This is very bitter, so if you don't like the bitterness, just put a little bit less. So that's 20 and a little bit more. And then Cointreau, we're going to do the same amount, 20. This is sweet, so if you like it sweeter, let's put a little bit more. Then the bitters or angostura, you have to be very, very careful with it. Just 2 or 3 drops. It's very bitter. Okay, that's done. We're going to close the cocktail mixer. We're going to shake it, and we're going to pour it. Okay, I think that's gonna be awesome already. Okay. Look at that. I know it's we are very rigid here in Spain with the time we drink Vermouth, but you can have this with your lunch or your dinner even. That's already quite cold. So enjoy this cocktail Vermouth or Vermouth preparado. Happy Christmas!